Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you the technique to create the best AI lip sync video. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well, guys, disclaimer, and I believe that every single people here can have the different technique which one is the best to create the AI video. And here I may start to share you the experience I have to create the way better or best AI lip sync video. So I think this will be better. To the first step is you need to create the photo or even the video. It is okay, but at least the main thing that you need to do is the face of the actor of the avatar itself also show the full face, or you can also choose the, let's say it's a half face like this, but at least there is the the eye, the nose, and also the mouth too, and that can help the AI to create the motion and also the gesture more naturally. And that is the main thing, guys. At least if you'd like to create the perfect AI or the best perfect AI lip sync video, which is that there is the full face. At least there is the face feature that also shows better or show clearly, and this will be better or create the best and better video, even even though that it's only show the one person over here. And for example, I will choose this picture and you can simply download it. And here I am usually use this grok to create the perfect picture. And after that, I will use this Gemini AI, and also the style or the model is for the VO3. And after that, I will put the photo here and also describe or put the prompt. For example, create this video of this man and he is saying what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. And while he is scrolling the phone, and you can add the additional request like show the natural face and hand gesture. He is saying it. You can, this is actually the additional. You can edit or not. It is okay. You can add the sound or music background while or during this man scrolling the phone and saying the word. And after the generation process, then you can see that the video is ready, and let's watch the output.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
As you can see, when we add the gesture or the request to let this AI to show the natural gesture, so then the video or the output can be more natural and also not only talking in the mouth but also show the eye gesture and also the whole body gesture. It's very good, guys. So I prefer to add the request like create the or add the natural gesture, and also again always show the full face or the face feature like the eye, nose, and also the mouth, because the avatar will speak from the mouth. And you can also use your favorite AI lip sync, and it is also depends on the AI lip sync itself. For example, I would like to, or I have tried to create the AI lip sync video from this sing.so here, and this is the look of the homepage, and this is the project that I have done before. But if you would like to create the new one, for example, you need to upload the video first. At least there will be 5 seconds is enough. And how we create that? So you can actually create it from this Gemini, or if you would like to create it from this Digen AI, then it is okay. You can upload the picture here into this section, and you can add your prompt, for example, like I put in this Gemini AI that this man is scrolling the phone, and you can also add the again natural gesture is can be the game changer to create the more natural look of the lip sync video. And after that you can click generate the video. But if you would like to create the lip sync, actually you can put it here, but I have ever tried to type the speech, but maybe I need to learn more, but and it didn't work at that time. So you can start to create this picture to become the AI lip sync video by uploading your own record or your own audio recording here or upload here, and after that you can generate the video. But this time, because I acknowledge that I have ever failed to create the talking AI video here, so I prefer to create the video only. And after that I download it into this section, and I'll put that video that has been produced by this Digen AI into this section. You can upload it and choose this video, and after that you can add the word or the thing that the man would like to say. For example, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger here. And after that you can choose the voice or the narrator, and after that you can click lip sync here. But if you would like to preview the voice of Vince, for example, you can click this. But don't forget to put the script into this section first, or the text. And after waiting for maybe 5 minutes until 10 minutes, so the video has been ready. For example, this one.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
So this is the result when we try to create the AI lip sync video with SingSo. Which one do you prefer? Please, you can put it your comment on the comment section. And yes, that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful, and don't forget to try this technique first. That is show the face of the picture, and also you can add the additional prompt like show the natural gesture. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.